Dear students of BSc Part 2 and respected listener, a very good afternoon and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students of BSc Part 2, I am going to deliver today a very special lecture titled I have mentioned on the blackboard here, the relation between equilibrium constant Kp and Kc with that is of gives the free energy, del G. Dear students of BSc Part 2, once again, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice on our previous lecture. Before proceeding to today's lecture, I repeat the necessarily fundamental, essential equations, factors, scientific laws which help to us to proceed the today's lecture. The title I have mentioned on the blackboard here, the relation between equilibrium constant Kp and Kc with gives the free energy, is selected from BSc Part 2 Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, titled as that is of Unit 3, nomenclature as that is of chemical equilibrium. Once again I repeat about the equilibrium state, the situation to achieve is in which the rate of forward direction becomes is equal to that is of backward direction. In such a position, you know here that is of the change in concentration either of the reactant or product with respect to time remains the constant here. It has been explained in the classroom on our previous lecture by kinetic curve also. In order to define the equilibrium constant, which is a main part of equilibrium reaction, in our previous lecture we have also expressed about that is of equilibrium constant Kc. Suppose in order to explain about equilibrium constant Kc, let us assume any reversible reaction in which N1 mole of A reacts with that is of N2 mole of B to produce that is of M1 mole of C and to produce that is of M2 mole of D. In such a position, we have also expressed in our previous lecture about the law of mass action, the Le Chatelier principles. We have also expressed in our previous lecture that is of Goodwork or that is of Vargas laws, in which in any chemical reversible reactions, the rate of forward reaction is directly proportional to the multiplication of active mass either of the reactant products, and on the behalf of the ratio of Kf and that is of Kb, rate of forward and that is of rate of backward, when the multiplication of concentration of active mass is now divided when the multiplication of concentration either of the reactant and its power to give the value of equilibrium constant Kc. Dear students, in order to distinguish the value between Kp and Kc in our previous lecture, we also distinguished Kc is the equilibrium constant when reactant and product we use here in that is of liquid and that is of solid phase also. In such a position, when we are using in any chemical reaction, such a chemical reaction, in this reversible chemical reaction here, A, B, C and D, which we are using here in liquid and that is of solid phase, solid state, in such a position their concentration one can measure, one can express in terms of mole per liter, and then concentration can be expressed in that is of active mass to use that is of large bracket. And in such a position, the equilibrium constant is symbolized by that is of Kc. On the other hand, we have also derived and defined about the equilibrium constant Kp. The equilibrium constant Kp is the constant when in this reversible reaction, suppose A and B, C and D are present in that is of gaseous phase. In such a position, the constant which we are going to produce, the multiplication of the partial pressure of the product that is of Pc, Pd divisible by that is of partial pressure of Pa and Pb, when is divided to give the value of equilibrium constant for that is of Kp. Dear student, in BSc Part 1, You also studied about the principal kinetic theory of the gases. In the fundamental principle postulates of kinetic theory of the gases, that the concentration of gases one can express in terms of partial pressure. When various gases and mixtures are fed in a particular system, the force which is applied acting on a particular area, on a particular internal place, in such a position, the force dropped in a particular area, the phenomenon occurred to give the value of pressure for a specific particular value of the gas is expressed in terms of that is a partial pressure. I mean to say, suppose we are using here all the reactants and that is a product in that is of gaseous phase in such a position, we will calculate the value of equilibrium constant and symbolized by that is of Kp. In our previous lecture, we have also established the quantitative relation between Kp and Kc, in which Kp is equals to Kc r to the power that is of del n. Dear student, on the behalf of various cases, del n is equals to 0, del n is equals to negative sign, and del n is equals to that is of positive. What is the value of, what is the relation between Kp and Kc? In detailed form, we have in our previous lecture, we have also explained. Also, in the case when del n is equals to 0, in such a position Kp is equals to Kc r to the power del n, anything raised to the power 0, del n is equals to 0, in such a position Kp is equals to, will be equals to that is of Kc. And del n positive, the value of Kp is greater than Kc, del n that is of negative, Kp is less than that is of Kc. We also, by using that is of the Chatelier principle in our previous lecture, factor influencing of that is of equilibrium Kp and that is of Kc by means of that is of concentrations. According to that is of Le Chatelier principle, on changing in any that is of chemical reversible reactions by means of concentration, temperature, pressure, catalyst, addition of inert gases, equilibrium shifted that direction. For the removal, the applied change must be counterbalanced. In order to explain the various factors we have discussed in the classroom, first one I am going to discuss tomorrow. That is the first one, that is of here, that is of concentration. Concentration, suppose we increase, we change in such a position, equilibrium will be shift in that is a forward direction, and in excess quantity of products are formed, equilibrium will be shifted in that is a backward direction. The next factor to influence, that is of Kp and Kc by means of temperature, catalyst, addition of inert gases, we will deliver it that is of tomorrow. Thank you very much.